beautiful Sunday, a
Yeah,
beautiful
beautiful.
afternoon.
Yeah,
Welcome, Lavi Sharma, a great life coach with a difference, with a heart to serve.
thank you,
And
Sunny.
your topic is awesome. Living purposefully and living joyfully.
Yeah,
Please tell us the secret of your smile first.
okay. Yeah, so smile is also about, I think, my purpose or my topic. I'm on a mission to inspire a world where everyone lives their full potential and creating holistic growth for themselves in a joyful and loving way. So, Sunny, I really believe that love is the most powerful thing in this world. So, when you are doing everything in loving manner, and you're automatically full of joy. So that is that is what it is. And really individuals, we are surviving in day to day. If you see, we don't know why we are waking up, going for job and doing repeated things every day. So I'm really looking forward for a world where individuals are thriving and not just surviving.
बहुत सुंदर. You combine Steve Jobs, do what you love make the world go round. And
Yeah,
Simon Sinek. भैया काहे कर रहे हो? क्यों कर रहे हो? What is
yeah,
your why?
yeah, right.
Great.
What is your why? Good reminder, Sunny. Awesome. Right.
Okay, what is your why? Why are you doing this? Why do you
um
want to see everyone thrive?
Yeah, because I'm seeing a possibility of it, first of all, right? When you see the world, when I see someone who is sad and, working on something which they are not really enjoying, they say that work also should be like your clothes. If it doesn't suit you, if it doesn't fit you, you will be uncomfortable. so,
क्या बात
I,
बोली
so
है वाह.
yeah, so somewhere I remember this line. So if it doesn't suit you, it doesn't fit you. It doesn't make any sense. So why I am doing is, earlier for more than 20 years, I have been working in IT industry. I've always been passionate about personal development, self development from last 10 to 12 years. I'm also a certified life coach, NLP practitioner, pranic healing. Pranic healing is what I practice regularly. So when I was exploring all these things, no, Sunny, so it was like I saw that I was able to transform my environment and my happiness and my growth. So that IT industry became like a playground for me. And using those techniques of self development, which I have been consistently learning, I was able to grow tremendously. And when I saw this for myself, and I saw people around who are under pressure, under stress, they want to achieve something, they have potential, they have dreams and desires, but something is stopping them. Could be their limiting beliefs, so many other things, right? So that is what became my why. When I saw results being produced for myself, I thought, oh, this is something which everyone in this world should be having, right? And people growing, like I said, surviving, not surviving but thriving. And when I say that in holistic manner, in every area of our life, when we just focus on one thing and don't know why, we are surviving. So in all aspects of their lives, be it career, relationship, health, spirituality, so that is what is my why. So I aim to make a significant impact, and especially among working professionals, because work being a very critical aspect of our life, we are somehow going day by day there, and with lot of self doubt, with lot of stress and all that.
अब विवेकानंद जी लग रहा है मुझे. मजा आ गया. Success and happiness
Yeah,
is
success
our
and
birthright.
happiness. Yeah,
Arise, awake. Okay, obey you.
arise awake. Yes.
So you said you are an NLP
उत्तिष्ठ
practitioner.
जागृत प्राप्य वरानि बोधत.
You said
Yeah.
you're an NLP practitioner.
Yes.
So give us two tips.
Two tips. Okay, two tips. Okay, I am NLP even if I am not NLP practitioner, I can give you two tips. The thing is that reminds me of a coding joke. See, if you are an NLP practitioner, give us two tips. Else, that is what we do in coding.
नहीं नहीं
तूने
else नहीं बोला मैंने.
Just kidding. Yeah, so just kidding. So yeah, when it comes to tips, right, we have to one thing in NLP is like NLP full form is neuro linguistic programming. So one thing is linguistic and one is programming. I am just picking two, right? Of course, there is neuro part of it also. So when it comes to linguistic, I am talking very simple language, Sunny, here, right? It is about your language, what you speak. Very simple tip is in day-to-day life, what are you saying? Because in my words, if I say, be careful what you are saying, because you are listening. Even if no one else is listening, you are listening. And we have no idea by repeatedly saying some negative words, some exaggerated words, oh, nobody loves me, I am not good enough, and how it impacts our brain, right? We are at least listening. So we should definitely be focusing on our language and as much as possible keep it positive, because all these negative thoughts are not true, but your brain is making you believe that those are true. So one tip is focus on what you are saying. And we talk a lot about affirmations these days, right? And I say affirmation is not something which you create for your goals and repeat them every day in front of mirror. Of course, it is that too. But it is everything you are saying, including right now, like you said, beautiful Sunday, right? What an awesome day. And it made my day, honestly, Sunny, when you said
थैंक्स
that.
तथास्तु.
Right? So you see, just
मैं
like
और
that.
भी बहुत अच्छी बातें बोलता हूँ लवी. आई एम ब्यूटीफुल, आई एम क्यूट, आई एम नाइस.
Yeah, awesome, right? And you see, I can see the difference on your face because of that, right? You're awesome, Sunny. So yeah, so that is what I mean exactly. And if you ask about tip, very simple. Focus on what you are saying. Don't exaggerate. Don't generalize. Don't distort. Those are NLP frames. Sometimes we will find evidence for something negative and keep repeating that. So let's see what we are saying. And another thing is programming. So when it comes to programming, it's like some programming has been there in our mind and we think that is what are our limits, and that is where we have to rationalize our limiting beliefs. Wherever something is stopping you, really look, is it true? Is it really true whatever you are doing? So limiting beliefs I speak about a lot, but of course we can get into details
In a
some
special
other.
session,
Yeah,
sales webinar, we'll
yeah,
do
yeah,
that.
yeah, because I am not good enough. Very common limiting beliefs, which we all of us have, right? Some of us are good at some things and not good at other things. But it could not be true that I'm not at all good enough, right? So yeah.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर. Okay, now you are a pranic healer for me.
Okay.
आपके पास प्राणिक हीलिंग से एक टिप क्या होगी हम सबके लिए?
Okay, so pranic healing says, Sunny, like I said, I talk about holistic growth. When it is holistic, it includes your spiritual, mental, emotional, and includes your peace. And you want to grow in joyful and loving manner, of course, that peace has to be there. So from pranic healing, if I talk about one tip, it will be about energy. See, pranic means life, right? Life energy. Pranic healing is actually based on life energy. So I will give a very simple tip on breathing here. So there is a 6363 breathing technique which is immediate energy booster. Like we pranic healers, sometimes when we are doing healing for others, we need to be high on energy. So this is the tip which we use for, and this can also be used to uplift our energy any time of our day. Yeah, so that is 6363. You inhale for 6 counts, hold for 3 counts. Yeah,
अच्छा.
and then exhale for 6 counts, and then hold for 3 counts. And you do this 6 3 6 3 for 7 cycles. When you do this for 7 cycles, there will be immediate surge in your energy. And energy is actually the biggest obstacle in achieving our growth. And when I talk about energy, it's not only physical, it's mental, spiritual, emotional, and there are many ways in which we can uplift energy. But this is a simple tip. Anytime in the day you feel lack of energy, do this 6 3 6 3 method.
एक बार
And
करके देखते हैं, आप मेरे
yeah,
को
let's
मालूम
do it.
हुआ.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Inhale for 6 counts, and if not 7 cycles, we can do it for 3 cycles.
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ, एक साइकिल भी करेंगे तो भी मैं
एक
देखना
cycle
चाहता हूँ
भी.
मैं कर पाता हूँ या नहीं, खुद
Yes.
सी तक होल्ड कर पाता हूँ या नहीं, क्योंकि मैं अभी
नहीं,
देख
नहीं,
रहा
it's
था
not
6
much.
तक तो
Yeah.
मैंने अंदर भी ले ली, बाहर भी कर दी.
Yeah, that
Okay,
happens.
let's
Yeah.
start.
And one more thing I want to say, good that you brought this up, because sometimes we take breathing also as an effort. It doesn't have to be effortful, however easy it comes. Because sometimes if we make it effort, it will be energy consuming instead of energy boosting,
Correct?
right? So let's take
No,
this
because I
easy.
could not do it, you see. And I was
Yeah.
practicing that.
Yeah.
Please help
Okay,
me.
let's do it. Inhale for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2.
Very good. कर सकते हैं. Possible.
कर
It
सकते हैं.
works.
It's simple, right? And of course, counts might differ. If it is too much for you, you can, this would be the rhythm 6-3-6-3. Sometimes it will be deep, sometimes not. Sometimes we take deep breath and exhaust ourselves. So deep breath also has to be natural and it comes with practice. But believe me, breathing only shows that we are living. So anytime we are in any exhaustion of energy, whether it is physical, emotional, I believe breathing immediately lifts us up. So that could be my simplest
Thank you,
probably.
Lavi. Very good. Okay, your biggest achievement. One. Anyone.
Oh,
You
biggest
feel,
achievement.
wow, Lavi, वाह क्या काम किया है. What an achievement.
So that is a good question, Zani, because depends. Achievement is all what should I say? Relative, right? It's a perspective, and what is achievement for me, or what is achievement for your organization? See, I can talk about, I have been working in industry for 20 plus years, and I have achieved this and that. But is that really an achievement? When I was a kid, 10-year-old, I got a gold medal in karate. That could be my big. I was just 10 years old then, but I got my biggest life lessons from them. But okay, these are few things. But what I would call as my achievement is, Sunny, I remember once when I was working, and one of the fresher in my team, I think at that point it was for many years back, but that was my first realization that how transformative the power of listening or power of being there for others is. So that person, that fresher, she was typing her resignation when I went to her desk, and I saw her typing that, and I thought, oh, she has just started her job, and because of the work pressure and because of the challenges at work, she's already resigning. If she does that now in her first job in first 2 months, she might never be able to do, or she might lose her confidence. So I asked her, what is it, what is exactly bothering you, and please don't send this email and we can talk about it. And I took effort to spend time after work with her. And like I told, I was always passionate about self development, reading multiple books, but that was my first instance when I saw someone not resigning because I came into picture. And now, like after that, she grew a lot. She went to many countries, and has been performing very well. And I was so happy to see that, and we are still in touch, and she has all that gratitude. But more than anything, that was the biggest achievement for me, because I could see the transformative power of love. So I'll call it, like I said, Sunny, love is the most powerful thing in this world. That's what I feel. So when I saw that for the first time, and that is what keeps me driving even now.
You are the only one, Lavi, who has answered achievement in this fashion. I know you're a great storyteller, but I have asked this question to over 500 educators, coaches, leaders.
Okay.
So, सब कुछ ना कुछ achievement बताते हैं.
Hmm.
School, career,
Yeah.
or wins of the client.
Yeah.
But ये in a storytelling form,
Yeah.
मजा आ गया. The
Hmm.
way you said.
Yeah. Yeah. And
Very
actually, it touches me. That is the reason. It really touches me if we are able to transform even one life with our love or whatever else. Right? Yeah. Thanks, Sunny. Yeah.
और वो जैसे सिद सर भी बोलते हैं, when you are authentic, it lands.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
you really felt it, it
Yeah.
lands.
Yeah.
तो आपने वो पल दोबारा जिया.
Yeah.
You were sharing.
Yes.
तो इसलिए वो हो सकता है मेरे लिए स्पेशल बन गया. मुझे मजा आया. Thank you.
Yeah, because and it became special for me also.
Okay.
How we get answers to anything by good questions, right? I think that
Right.
also sets.
I accept the compliment gracefully.
Yes, And you should, right? Because there is no conversation without good questions. And in fact, since everyone, whoever is listening, I would like to say, not only to each other, what are we asking ourselves? When we ask good questions to ourselves, we get the right answers. So thank you for asking that question, because it immediately came, what is really achievement for me? And I came up with this. Great.
ये एक और बलबोन था मेरे लिए कि इंटरव्यू में तो मैं बहुत अच्छे सवाल पूछता हूँ अपने आप से क्या पूछ रहा हूँ. वेरी गुड. चलो
Yeah,
आगे बढ़ते हैं.
yeah, like many of us say, like, why does this always happen to me? It is again related to that linguistic part, right? Instead, you can ask, okay, what can I do about it? How do I move ahead? Yeah, great.
You're a great life coach, Lavi. I'm seeing that. And you're a born leader. You
Thank
love
you.
freedom. Great. Now, my favorite question,
Okay.
your three happiest moments.
Three happiest moments. Okay. There have been many happiest moments, but I told this, the achievement which I told is also one of the happiest moment. But that's like, my happiest moments are when, one thing is when I'm like able to make a difference to anyone. So when it comes to moment, this is one, like I told you, right? And spending time with my parents. Now my father is not there, but with pre-COVID, just during the COVID, when this COVID time was there and we all started working from home. So I still remember that, since you said moment, we are sitting in winters in sun, winter sun. Basically, I love nature. So that was one of my happiest moment, when I was sitting outside and it was a sunny day, and I think we were having some fun. So that is my happiest moment, when my parents are with me, and I would say that they are still with me. So those are the biggest, even a reward for me from the universe, that the I'm blessed to have such great parents and have their blessings. So that was, I think, one happiest moment for me, and especially because I treasure that, since my father is no more there and I lost him in COVID. So yeah, so that is one. And another is, I love nature, like I told. So when I went to Kedarnath, so I love climbing mountains. So when I was on top of it, and suddenly it was like someone was telling me, keep walking, keep walking. I had terrible headache and I kept walking, and the temple was supposed to close at 9:30, and 9:15 I reached, and all the bells were ringing. So it was like happiest, and I don't know what, enlightening moment for me, that as if I took a break because I had terrible headache, and someone at tea shop told me that it's only half an hour more, probably you should keep walking if you want that temple, you want to see that open. And I thought, oh, someone is telling me this, leave tea and all, let me just get up and walk. And I kept walking. So it's like, similarly in life, if you just keep walking step by step, irrespective of the problems and obstacles you are having, ultimately what you achieve is like full of joy. So that was another happiest moment which I had, Sunny.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you. Lavi, you're getting a lot of blessings on LinkedIn. I can see Ravneet Aluwalia saying, fantastic tips shared here by Lavi. And there's one LinkedIn user, नाम नहीं आ रहा है. Greetings, respected life coaches. फिर प्रवीणा प्रमोद जी बोल रहे हैं, मेरे ख्याल से वो दुबई से बोल रहे हैं. Breathing right is such a calmer to the mind. Okay, अब हम breathe right करेंगे.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Lavi. It was a great talk.
Yeah.
And yes, this is going to be one of my special interviews, special chats.
Mine
We
too. Yeah.
learned a lot. Thank you. Now let's
Yeah.
come to one word answers. Life in one word.
What?
One word answer खेलेंगे. Life in one word.
Life in one word. Life is passion.
Love in one word.
Love is universal.
Happiness in one word.
Happiness is life.
Success in one word.
Success is I don't know. I'm really tempted to say this, love. I keep coming back to that.
Wealth in one word.
Huh?
Wealth in one word. Paisa in one word.
Wealth in world is also love and relationships.
NLP in one word.
NLP is about language,
Pranic healing in one word.
energy,
Parents in one word.
blessings,
Lovey in one word.
love.
Yes, you are love, you are a blessing, and I'm thankful to you, and I wish you all the best in all your noble future selfless endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sunny.